21st century is a visual century. Images have become much more important. Before the election, you saw BJP leaders saying we will tear up the constitution, we will throw the constitution away, we will change the constitution. Arrogance of power. After the election, you saw the Prime Minister doing this to the constitution. So you can see that the people of India have spoken. And also notice that hatred has been defeated by love and affection. The truth is the Prime Minister barely escaped in Varanasi. And he would have been defeated himself in Varanasi. The BJP was defeated in Ayodhya. So even the people of Ayodhya have sent a message to the BJP that we do not appreciate hatred and violence.
അയോധ്യയിലെ പോലും ജനങ്ങൾ ബിജെപിക്ക് കൃത്യമായ ഒരു സന്ദേശം നൽകി. ഞങ്ങൾ അക്രമത്തെ, വെറുപ്പിനെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഉൾക്കൊള്ളുന്നില്ല എന്ന് അയോധ്യയിലെ ജനങ്ങൾ ബിജെപിക്ക് കൃത്യമായ സന്ദേശം നൽകി.